feel yeah, 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 feel good. Sáng rồi phòng.
So you just wear that.
係啊係，哇！佢呢度超齡喎，而家先15歲，我冇喐嘅一個人，我以為個人會拗頭嘅，係嘛？唔係呢個係咩？你睇我整理就影啦。
I don't know, it was just like that. It was putting back and forth.
哇！呢個地真係好麻煩有。
唔知會點咧？我諗嗰個會喐個 stick 咯。喂，花錢㗎？哦，有隻貓走出嚟，老鼠貓人大隻啲啊！啊，咁佢就雞走唔喐，哇！有高手出嚟喎！係咁佢就，哦嗰度又走條蛇出嚟，哦嗰度有釘房，哦咁重啊老鼠，誒仲有啊，有兩個個釘房。話去一個學呢啲乜嘢嘅學校咁樣。
因為
咁佢哋本身係 which 嚟嘅？normal people。嗰個咩 which school？
don't know that.
His mum's friend. Hi everyone, now I'm back at the hotel now, so today's been kind of a long day. The weather hasn't been as great today, but still went to 2 museums, and in the morning I got, wait, I'm trying to find which side this is. Yeah, I got a little doggy balloon from McDonald's, so yeah, this is really cute. I actually really like this, but it's like, you know, gonna get deflated in a couple of days, unfortunately. But yeah, so we went to Brighton Museum and Art Gallery in the mornings. So obviously, like, that's the big museum that's next to the Royal Pavilion. and yeah, that was really cool. And it's also next to Brighton's Dome. It's in the same area, so it was like cool to see both in the say at the same time. Yeah, the Royal Pavilion is just really pretty in general to look at. So yeah, after that had a bit of lunch and then went to the toy museum in Brighton, which we actually went to before but didn't realise until we got in, but like most of it I didn't remember it anyway, so yeah, it was like revisiting childhood again. And then afterwards went to a shopping centre and yeah, then dinner. So yeah, that is the end of this little Brighton series. I don't know if I'm going to call it that. I don't know what it is, but yeah, now I'm tired, back at the hotel, and time to relax before I start studying React again for the job I'm going to start on Monday. And then yeah, just preparing for that really, and editing videos as well. So yeah, comment down below of what you thought this was like, you know, this mini series, and what type of stuff you'd like to see. Like the video for more stuff like this, and yeah, subscribe for more video. Bye guys, see you next time.